Alright, what is up, all you gorgeous people? I'm here to bring you another important update. Like usual, I wanted to run through some technical analysis on Chainlink here, kind of talk about what I see happening in the short term, long term, and then also at the end of the video, I want to take the opportunity to talk about gold-backed cryptocurrency, GSX. So if you like the sound of that, I'd like to ask you if you can please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. So guys, let's talk about Chainlink. I see everything that's happening with Chainlink to be super understandable. I believe we're currently moving within either what could be described as a broadening wedge or a channel. All the price levels we're falling to make all the sense in the world. We've been confined, we've been range bound within the boundaries of this channel, and we've clearly found support exactly where the channel walls are, and now we are seeing if we want to go for another leg up or if we're in store for further consolidation, further downtrending. So guys, a few very important things to look out for here. Chainlink needs to get above $13.50. Once Chainlink gets above $13.50, I think we're going back to 1650 very soon after, and perhaps all-time highs pretty soon after that. But we'll see, y'all. We have to maintain above our EMAs on these larger time frames. So currently, we're finding support on the 200 EMA on the 4 hour, but we have resistance with the 50 and the 100 EMA on the 4 hour as well. So guys, we're currently range bound, and Chainlink is going to have to make a decision here within the next few hours and days whether we decide to break up or break down and see further downtrending. We are range bound. We have to break either 1280 or 1350 to know where we're going. If we go to 1350, I think we're going to see continuation upwards, or at least I think that's a high probability. If we break below 1280, I think there's a high probability that we see a downward continuation. So guys, this is technical analysis, okay? I don't have a magic crystal ball. None of this is for sure. These are all just indicators that help point us in a direction. So our RSI is making higher highs. That's good to see. On the MACD here, our moving average lines have room to go up, although on the histogram we're ticking down. So we may fall back down to retest perhaps 20 EMA on the 4 hour. Let's look at the daily here. Yeah, so looking at the daily, yeah, daily looks bearish, guys. Lower highs RSI, MACD going down. For me, what we may do here, so see on the daily, we're getting rejected by our 20 EMA. So if we do indeed continue to get rejected, we're very likely to fall back down to like 1250, I'd say, and find support there on our what is this, the 50 EMA. So I know I was saying 1280 before, but the larger the time frame, the more important, the more influential it is. So we were looking at a 4 hour before. The 4 hour is pretty influential, but the daily supersedes that, and then the weekly supersedes that as well. So the larger the time frame, the more impactful. Now, looking at the weekly, we see something very interesting, which is we're playing off the 20 EMA on the weekly exactly. We fell down and found support on it exactly. So now the question is, do we fall back down, retest this channel wall, or do we retest our recent all-time highs? And again, to answer that question, I think we need to keep our EMAs in mind. On the 4 hour here specifically, I think if we can find support on our EMAs, we have a high probability of seeing continued uptrending. If we break below our 200 EMA on the 4 hour, I think we have a high probability of seeing downward continuation. So that's kind of what I'm looking out for on these larger time frames. I'll zoom in a little, see if we can find anything. So, oh, that's a good song. It's not me. Yep. All right. Yeah. So guys, RSI making lower highs. Yeah. So see, guys, like I feel like the RSI MACD doesn't matter a whole lot right now, because what matters is the fact that we're range bound. We're range bound on our EMAs, and going from the 4 hour to the 1 hour, our EMAs are in different places, but they're all around the same area, and they're all telling us the same thing, which is we're range bound from roughly like the mid 12s to the mid 13 range. We're kind of range bound, and we need to see either higher highs or lower lows to understand what direction we're likely to see continuation in. So guys, before I wrap up here with Chainlink, I think another important thing that we need to look out for is Ethereum and Bitcoin. If Ethereum and Bitcoin continue to break out bullishly, I think the altcoins such as Chainlink are very likely to benefit greatly from that. Now, guys, I'm going to do something fun here. I'm going to give a price prediction for this next bull run, but I need to preface it by saying that what I'm about to say is highly speculative, not scientific at all, and I'm just saying this just for fun. It's just a fun guesstimate is all. But I think at the peak of this next bull run, roughly the end of 2021, it's I think this is what I'm looking out for myself. I think it's possible we could see a Chainlink within the hundreds of dollars. So, Chainlink, I think, is a great long-term hold. Its purpose is that it connects all the smart contract ecosystems to the outside world. It allows outside data to be brought within smart contracts. And so Chainlink is essentially the thing that connects the entirety of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. And brings in data information. So I think Chainlink's going to be huge long-term. It was already a leader during the August mini alt season we had there. It kind of led the market, led the rally. And then Chainlink has been pumping, but it hasn't been pumping parabolically. It's been moving upward within this channel. So who knows if that'll continue. But I think, guys, once we see Bitcoin reach its all-time highs, Ethereum approximating its all-time highs, I think you guys got to watch out for Chainlink. I think Chainlink's going to do amazing long term. That's not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Okay, guys, before I wrap up this video, I'm going to take the opportunity to talk about GSX, gold-backed cryptocurrency. I bring this up because if you like the idea of gold-backed cryptocurrency, and you want to participate in this thing, there's a link down in the description below where it says 5% sign-up bonus. If you click on that and you sign up and participate using that link, you get an additional 5% sign-up bonus, and I get a commission based off that. So I just want to run through some of the main pros and cons with GSX, just so you guys understand what this is about. So GSX is made by Apollo Fintech. Apollo Fintech runs these gold mines. Half of the profits from these gold mines will go to actually backing the cryptocurrency itself. Okay, they're currently offering a 31% sign-up bonus. They're working on a Binance listing. This is their timeline right here. Okay, I'm gonna leave a link down to their website, their white paper, in a video where I delve in depth to the pros and cons with this project. So please check all those things out. Do your own research. Okay. They will be paying yearly dividends, and they will be doing a token burn. So I would like to ask everyone to please practice risk management, practice portfolio diversification, and understand your own risk tolerances, okay? If you do your own research and you decide you want to participate in this thing, like I said, link down in the description below. Now, to mention what I see as the biggest con with this is I have no idea how well Apollo Fintech is running these gold mines. They could be running well, they may not be. I have no clue. Guys, I found this compelling enough for myself, so I decided to invest in it, but only you can decide what's best for yourself. So I really want to encourage you guys to please do your own research. But like I said, guys, if you do your own research, you like it, link down in the description below, 5% sign-up bonus, and I get a kickback from that. Guys, please like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. Share our videos, guys. Appreciate all of you who support the channel in any way you do. Guys, we started a Discord and a Twitter. Links for that down in the description below, where we talk crypto, major cryptocurrency news, technical analysis, and major catalysts, all that good stuff. You could find in our Discord and our Twitter down in the description below as well. Guys, we have started kind of an affiliate thing here with Ledger, with the Ledger Nanos. For those who aren't familiar with the Ledger Nanos, there's Ledger Nano X and the Ledger Nano S. It is one of the safest ways to store your cryptocurrency. Okay, it's kind of like the gold standard throughout the industry, guys. This is this isn't really financial advice, but this is just kind of anyone who's in crypto knows that the ledgers are one of the safest ways to go. So guys, if you want, if you're interested in buying a ledger, I guess they currently have a sale. Guys, there's a link down in the description below. Please click on that link if you are interested in getting a ledger, because I think we do get a kickback if you buy anything using the link down in the description below. But you don't pay anything more. We just get a kickback if you do. So yeah, guys, there's that option. It's one of the safest ways to store your cryptocurrency. I mean, it is pricey. There are free computer wallets, stuff like that, but the Ledger is definitely one of the safest ways to store it for sure. So guys, link down in the description below. I've rambled on long enough. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads.